The 3 aspects of couple compatibility. These 3 aspects will determine how good of a fit you are for your partner. Number 1, values. What do you value in life? Let's say you value excitement, you value adventure. Then you'll want to try new things every week. You'll want to travel, start a new business, maybe do something risky. But if your partner values safety and comfort, then they might stick to something safe, a routine, something they already know works and it gives them comfort. This will cause both of your boundaries to clash with each other. Number 2, communication. Some people like to talk directly. They like to talk openly about their problems. They don't twist their words, they're very direct. While some people are passive-aggressive, they avoid directly speaking up. They don't share their problems too much and they keep to themselves. Number 3, routine. When you're together, what do you do every day? Does your lifestyle complement each other? Do you share the same hobbies and interests? If your partner likes to party every weekend, drink and hang out with their friends, and if you like to spend time in nature and enjoy your own company, then naturally it will start to create distance. Once that love and excitement fades away, you'll realize you don't have much to talk and share with your partner because you're living completely different realities.